the sea is where a fish should be. But oh God, under the weight of life, things seem brighter on the other side. You see, this crazy man decided not to breathe. He turned red and blue, purple, colorful indeed. No matter how his friends begged and pleaded, the man would not concede. And now his end, you see, the silly man should know you got to breathe. But oh God, under the weight of life, things seem brighter on the other side. Oh God, but under the weight of life, things seem so much better on the other side. No way, no way, no way sitting up in his monkey tree one day decided to climb down, run off to the city. Look